As most of you know, man, I got the animal instinct and I was just indifferent about them. Some of you said they're trash, get rid of them. Some of you were like, man, those are super fire. I'm glad to have got them. So far, I've seen some different restocks here and there. Again, I still feel like there's going to be a deal on these shoes, so I ended up sending them back. And the reason being is just, I value my money, especially this year. That is like #1 to me. If you guys have been watching more of my lifestyle content on the vlog channel or just paying attention to Topic Tuesday and other things that I've said on social media or anywhere, like, you know what's up. So I ended up returning those, getting that refund, but that didn't stop me. First and foremost, today's video was actually sponsored by PacSun. They sent me over a few pieces from the Fear of God Essentials collection. So if you guys want to check that out, the link will be down below. But right now I'm wearing the Essentials long sleeve tee and the jacket is super fire. Thank you, PacSun, for sending this over. But let's get into these shoes, man. Let's just say I returned the Animal Instinct, right? And I ended up getting these for half the price. These ended up being $124. To me, a smart buy, a great deal. Originally retail on these was $250. So let's get into it. I picked these up from Sneakers and stuff. Now they still do have a few sizes of these, and I think they got the white and the black. You guys don't even know what it is yet. But if you're interested, link will be down below to cop. Yeah, this to me was a shoe that honestly, I've been waiting to pull the trigger on, but that retail price was just too hefty for me, and I didn't know. Let's get these bad boys out of here. No. Peep that $250 retail tag, bro. Whoa, wicked. $124. This was an absolute steal. And what's really crazy is these were even on a better sale. Like, I think it was around Black Friday. John Elliott was having them for $105 shipped. Like, that was the best deal. I don't know why I slept on it. I honestly feel like I went for my size, but it was sold out. This is the John Elliott LeBron James icon. You know what I'm saying? All white, you dig? Like, I had to get the all white pair. The black pair was cold, right? But this, ooh-wee. Like I said, I got these from Sneakers and stuff for $124. Retail was $250. A dope steal. Like, I'm happy. This is a purchase that I'm like, I feel good about. That's the route that I'm looking for. Like, from here on out, when I get a sneaker, I want to feel like either I needed that, like I will die without it, or hey man, it was too good of a deal to pass up. It pays to be a smart buyer. And like I always tell you guys, patience always saves pockets. And that's just one thing that will never, well, I mean, actually it really depends on what you're buying, because there could have been an opportunity where you could have copped something and resale could have been crazy years later and you would be kicking yourself because you didn't buy it at the price. So I don't know what to tell you, certain things. Now, I did notice that a lot of you guys bought these when I posted them on Deals Under Cost and ASneakerLife on Twitter. If you guys don't follow that, that's where all the deals are. Shameless plug, but I highly recommend. I'm all about saving you guys money and myself. So when I find good deals, they're tweeted, and Deals Under Cost is like daily. Now, the one thing that really sparked my interest about copying these was I was at the Unknown store in Miami, and I was like, man, I really, really want those. They didn't have them in my size. And also when I was at Sneakertopia, one of my homies actually got seated a pair of these, and I was like, are they comfortable? Like, do you really like them? And he's like, yeah, man, I love these. He had the gold pair. So I just figured it was only right for me to get a new white pair, especially for the spring. And what I really like is the translucent sole. I got some fire socks, so I'm gonna be really showing those off. The biggest thing for me is I want to know if they're comfortable to me. Now, I'm going to wear these a few times and then I'll give you guys kind of an in-depth review on how I feel about them. Just because when I was initially trying to buy these, there weren't too many reviews that were kind of telling me the information that I wanted to know. And at this point, I feel like I don't expect these to have any type of resale. I think you'll be able to still get deals on them. Even if you're watching this video possibly a year from now, you might be able to find them on eBay. I'll put links down below to any possible situation that could happen from now to the future. So more importantly, I just want to put these bad boys on and like see how comfortable they are.
Drugs got me sweating, but the room getting colder. Looking at the devil and the angel on my shoulder. Will I die tonight? I don't know, is it over? Looking for my next high, I'm looking for closure. Lay with me, pop with me, get high with me. If you rock with me, smoke with me, drink with me. Messed up liver with some bad kidneys. Lay with me, pop with me.
Also, I wanted to announce a little giveaway, just a thank you for you watching this video. I'm gonna give some merch away, 3 different ASneakerLife hoodies. The rules are super simple. All you gotta do is like and share this video, comment down below, just leave your normal comment and hashtag LeBron James. And you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter if you want. You don't have to, but I'd appreciate it. And then I'll pick 3 winners in the next video and, you know, kind of feature your comments. So thank you guys again for watching. This is your boy ASneakerLife. Let me know, do you think this was a good deal? Would you pay 120 or 105 for these? What kind of consumer are you? Are you one that just pays full price and forgets about it? Or are you someone that wants deals? You know, everybody's different. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it. Okay, so 2020, I told you that the last few weeks I'd taken like a detox from social media because I knew this whole 2020 thing was coming up.
And it's just interesting to me, bro, because it's like, honestly, there's really no change. Like the weather's still cold, you know, like there's nothing really changing except for the calendar. Yeah, exactly. From when, like before Christmas to now, it's just like nothing's really changing. It's just like people choose to change their mindset around this year.